Joe, right, this is the 2010 Championship. We are here at Mamelodi Stadium. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Stellenbosch 1. My brother, how do you feel about the game today?
Game match today, man. I'm happy, but it was two players like still happy performance. But I know maybe Rulani is gonna work on it.
Yeah.
Mediator and Maseko.
Yeah.
Mediator was not comfortable. I don't know.
Maybe because he was playing against this former team.
Yeah, man, he was not comfortable on the ball.
But he's supposed to play very well, against his former team.
To prove a point.
Exactly.
Yeah, and another thing, Maseko, I don't know with the guy, because always when you hold the ball, you want to turn to the right, and the defender already Batsiba movement to a high. Now, I don't know, maybe the coach is going to have to work on it, because if you're going to play like that, he's going to have a problem.
And he holds the ball, for a very long time, and then Sundowns is the team and
Exactly, that's why I don't know the practice for Nabazala Young Liana, because we hold the ball, we have to wait, and then you open. But Maseko and Atwara, Atwara, you want to move towards the right, and defender already
know him.
They know him now. I think maybe the coach is gonna have to work on Maseko, and the mediator definitely is not comfortable with the ball. Atwara ball or more or like. The mind is not even there. It's not there on the ground. Yeah, it's not there. Yeah, that's I can say I'm happy with the boys. They play very well. Besides those two guys.
Yeah. What do you think about the upcoming final on the 7th?
The upcoming final, my brother. Yeah. I'm telling you, the media, they already play an important role.
Yeah.
The referee's gonna. My son came here. Yeah. Already the mind is already out, because the media they already. I'm telling you, as Sundowns, if Kakili Sundowns need money, guys, let's take this trophy and give it to Pirates, because definitely something like the foul. I'm telling you now, we are not going to get maybe a penalty. Oka create a penalty, but I'm telling you, the referees that's going to feel that game.
Yeah.
They're not going to give that penalty.
But
because
if it's a penalty, the referee must give it.
I'm telling you, the media, the way they play the role. I'm telling you, I was watching the soccer zone, and sorry to mention the
no problem.
Soccer zone,
Super
extra what? They roll that Mulambo and the Ace play for the final. That's a big for the referee that's gonna officiate that game. I'm telling you, it's under pressure. It's gonna be tough one for the referee. It's gonna be the tough one for the referee. And one thing, I want to mention one thing. Ace Novo.
Yeah.
There's a lot of referees. Before they were still in charge, they were not even showing themselves which team they are supporting. Now they are starting to expose themselves, or which team they were supporting all along. I'm telling you,
which team are they supporting?
Obvious, my brother.
Sundowns.
No. Bye.
Yeah, bye. You right.
And I'm telling you now, they expose themselves now.
Yeah.
They are starting to expose themselves now. Yeah. I'm telling you, and it's so painful. I can joke about it.
No, you're right.
It would go because the way I was watching all the SABC and SuperSport yesterday. Because the role that they are playing against the final is so painful.
No, but then you don't have to feel the pain. The only thing that you need to do is to beat them on the field. Because of it's not your fault that Chief didn't get a penalty. It's a referee's fault. So when when you are on the Sundowns
my brother, we watch La Liga, we watch England, English Premier League. How many times referee ayako VAR checker the foul if it's right or wrong? Many times. But for PSL on a VAR, you're gonna blame a human being for just a minor error.
Yeah. But then sometimes some of the decisions say for the referee they are dubious. You can see like what Shalulile when Kaiser Chiefs was centering the ball. He was inside the
Go and watch. Unfortunately, my phone is far. Go and watch the game for Brighton. It happens.
No, let's
the goal stand. The goal stand. But my brother, I'm still asking how many times referee ayako VAR as a penalty.
Unfortunately, South Africa don't have a VAR.
That's why.